Hello, and welcome to this QuickTips video on using data tables. In this video, you'll see how to create a set of specimens or samples by running a workflow using the data of your choosing as an input to create a set of those inputs in the form of a set entity. Start by going to one of your workspaces that contains individual samples you would like to organize into a set. Within that workspace, go to the Data tab and select the table that contains the data you'd like to turn into a set. Select all of the rows in that table you want to be included in your set, and then click this three-dot button and click Open With. Then select the workflow that takes individual inputs and outputs a set entity. You can also make sure that you've selected the right table here as well. Make sure that your output attributes are filled out, and then click Launch. As soon as the workflow is submitted, you can see that the dataset has been automatically generated within your data model by going to the Data tab. Thank you for watching.